Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle game on your device. And when you open it up for the first time, you will see the new game as well as the continue game button. Now in order to create a new account, tap on the new game option and then you will need to solve a small CAPTCHA to verify your identity. Once you solve it, just accept the terms and conditions, and you will be asked whether you would like to enable enhanced color clarity or not. You can change this at any point of time, so go with whichever option you prefer. After choosing a few other settings, you will once again need to accept a few terms and conditions. Tap on the Accept All button. Now you will see the option to start downloading your data. Tap on the Download button, and now your new game will begin right away. Just complete the first few tutorial levels, and when you can access the settings menu, you will be able to link your Google account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.